Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of 1 over log to base AB of B minus 1 over log to base AB of A, given that 1 over log to base A of B plus 1 over log to base B of A is equal to root 1229. Now, we were told that A is greater than B, which is greater than 1. Of course, you know that this simply means that both log to base A of B and log to base B of A are real numbers, and log to base A of B is less than log to base B of A. Now, to solve this problem, the identity we are going to be using the most is log to base A of B is equal to 1 over log to base B of A. Of course, you know that this identity comes from the change of base formula for logarithms. Now, when we apply this identity to this first term, then we can write this as log to base B of A. Here we have 1 over log to base B of A, and this is equal to the square root of 1229. Now, let log to base B of A be equal to the letter x. That means that we can write this equation as x plus 1 over x is equal to root 1229. Now, what we are going to do is that we will square both sides of this equation. Now, on the left-hand side, we have x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. And this is equal to, of course, this is going to take care of the square root, leaving us with 1229. Now, x is going to cancel x. And on the left-hand side of this equation, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 is equal to 1229. And when we subtract 2 from both sides of this equation, we have that x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 1229 minus 2, which is equal to 1227. Now, to find the value of this, we are going to start by simplifying these two log terms as far as possible. And of course, to do that, we are going to go back to this identity. Now, we can write 1 over log to base AB of B as log to base B of AB. And we can write 1 over log to base AB of A as log to base A of AB. Of course, you know that this is a product. Remember that log AB is equal to log A plus log B. That means that we can expand log to base B of AB as log to base B of A plus log to base B of B. And we can expand this as log to base A of A plus log to base A of B. Now, from here we have log to base B of A plus log to base B of B is equal to 1 minus log to base A of A is equal to 1 plus log to base A of B. Opening the bracket, we have log to base B of A plus 1 minus 1 minus plus is minus log to base A of B. And of course, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have that 1 over log to base AB of B minus 1 over log to base AB of A is equal to log to base B of A minus log to base A of B. But now let us remember that log to base A of B can be written as 1 over log to base B of A. We still have log to base B of A. And also let us remember that log to base B of A is equal to x. So this can be written as x minus 1 over x. Now the next thing we are going to do is that we will square both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have x squared minus 2 times x times 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. And of course, this is going to take care of that, leaving us with x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 2. But now let us remember that from the given statement, we have already found that x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 1227. So that means that this is equal to 1227. Then we have minus 2. And 1227 minus 2 is equal to 1225. Now, all we have to do to find the value of this is to take square root of both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that 1 over log to base AB of B minus 1 over log to base AB of A is equal to the square root of 1225. So this is the answer that we are looking for. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and watch more videos here.